Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix you require permission from system to make changes to this folder in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, this error occurs on system files, okay? Such as windows.alt. Alright, so to fix this, just don't worry, it's pretty easy. Just click on Properties, okay? Properties, now go ahead over to Security. Now click on Edit. Now here, click on Add. Now all you're going to do is just go ahead and click on Advanced. Now click on Find Now. Now in this area below, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down and find Everyone. Alright, make sure that it is highlighted. Now click on OK. It is now available, just click on OK. Now once that's done, under Full Control and Modify, make sure that you allow or tick on it. Now once done, just hit on Apply. Hit on OK. OK. Now you can go ahead and delete this one with no problem. All right. And that is how you fix this issue in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.